All right, we are here back in the shop and we are talking H-pipes today. And so we have in the past talked about using the purpose of an H-pipe, and that is just so that you don't deadhead your coolant temperature into your heater core, and then your Coyote isn't getting enough coolant and so it overheats. And so hence the purpose of the H-pipe. This little bypass right here helps provide that. So, well, we've also talked about how we've upgraded in another video to a really cool product, and that is that the bypass is built into the bulkhead on your firewall. So that's super cool. Available in black or machine. So we also created another kit, a little step up. We kept like bringing it, how can we make this even better? And that is, what if we could use a -AAN soft braided hose, a little smaller diameter, looks cleaner. We don't have the big rubber hose that you're gonna try to cover up. If we could get rid of that, we could get rid of these plastic quick disconnect fittings. Obviously, we've gotten rid of this. And then we go into the fitting that goes on the firewall, which is just like this. And then we change the fittings on the engine. So this goes in and seals on the engine. There's two spots where this will go. You'll take out the old plastic or the old steel little adapters. You'll take those out. You'll install these two pieces here, and then you'll have just a nice -AAN fitting that you'll put on there, and then you'll connect your hose right there, and then you'll connect that to the firewall fittings that you'll then connect right here. Really simple, very clean. You don't have to put a braided wrap on it or anything like that. Doesn't look big, it's super nice and clean, and it's really an awesome way to do it. So here, we're probably gonna be doing that on a lot of our nicer builds. We'll be basically going over to that because it looks just cleaner. But it does cost more money, so I understand that's why we built two different versions of the H-pipe kit, just to allow people to save some money, but also choose if they wanna spend an extra, 40, 50 bucks, they can then get the nice braided AN line. So a couple options for you. Very good way to do your H-pipe, which is basically getting rid of the H and just building it right into the bypass, right in the bulkhead. Super cool. You get your ORB fittings, your O-ring fittings. There's a little fitting that goes in the top right here, and that can be used as a bleeder or whatever it is you want to do. So super cool product. You should be able to go to the website and find all these parts. Just go into the search bar and you can find H-pipe if you type that in there, or bypass adapter or whatever. It'll probably lead you to it and it'll help you find the parts you're looking for. We will be having these for a little longer until we run out, but the kit will be available on the website. Pretty easy to find, and a great product that isn't out there. It's a brand new product, so super exciting for us to work with such phenomenal people here at the shop that help us continue to design and come up with the new products. And so happy hot rodding, good luck in your own garage, and until next time, we'll see you later.